Oh boy, what a mess. These Bosch don't really come with an extractor. I know you can buy one, but it's not available to my local shop. Also, you see this little lever here? Well, Bosch assume that you will be able to disengage the brake for the plunge, press the safety button, press the trigger, push on the saw, and at the same time, you will be able to open this. I don't know, probably the people at Bosch has 3-4 hands. Maybe they work together. Maybe this is supposed to be for 2 people. I'm not really sure. Well, I think we can solve 2 problems with one 3D print. We can 3D print something that fit here that will allow me to connect my vacuum cleaner, and also with a little flapper that will allow to engage on this safety shield just enough so I can push the plunge down without having my hand in 6-7 different spots at the same time. Or maybe German people has very big hand and they can put one finger there while pushing the handle. Not sure. I'm gonna definitely 3D print something because this is a mess. Oh boy. Let's do it. Alright, let's start taking measurement of everything. 13. So 13 millimeter. All thanks to this. So it's pretty handy piece of tool. Definitely worth printing. So now I got all my measurement. We can move into CAD and we can start designing. So let me just start saying that I am not a Fusion 360 guru. I'm completely self-taught and I can achieve a very good result more often than not, taking the longest route rather than the shortest, because I don't really know all the little shortcut and function that the software has. So I just need to have a workaround for everything. When the time is not a constraint, I'm always able to achieve what I want to achieve. If you are interested in seeing the full hour and 44 minutes, feel free to join my Patreon, where I post an edited video, normal speed. Here was a speed up because, of course, no one is going to spend 1 hour 44 minutes on YouTube watching a non-professional guy designing a part. After designing everything, I brought everything on Bamboo Lab Studio and set up my parameter and sent to print. Now, did I tell you how happy I am about Bamboo Lab? It's not a hobby, it's literally a tool. You put something through it and she printed. Thank you for tuning in. Well, I am quite pleased with that. It came out really well. Nothing to complain. I am not a guru, as we discussed, but I make it up with luck. So the only thing I did off camera was to glue this part that was printed separately and then press fit and glue it into place. I also removed already the support that was holding this top part, and now we can just get into assembly. As you see, I allocate a hexagon slot to fit the nuts. So we can put the nuts in and we just hold in place. Then we just put the little tab and we just screw this from behind. Rod, if you're wondering where is your stumpy screwdriver, well, I have it. So thank you, Rod. Next, we should mount this and see how it fits. Right, let's get to business. Let's mount. See this little tab? This little tab should line up with this. and it will lock it in place. And then all we need to do is just mount the screw. Would you look at that? First go. Perfectly aligned. You will agree that getting the part perfectly right the first time is quite an achievement. I think we should celebrate. Let's see if this engage. Engage. Guys, I'm really happy. We should go and try it. Alright, let's see if it works. Vacuum cleaner is attached. Let's engage the blade shield. Alright. Disconnect the plunge. And let's try to do a cut with one hand. Oh boy, I didn't turn on the vacuum cleaner. Let's do it. If you are wondering about my eyes, I just want you to know that they are fake. They're made of glass, and the way how I move around in the garage is like a bat. I just make sound, and I hear the sound bounce back, and that's how I know my position. So don't worry about my eyes. So let's turn on the vacuum cleaner and let's see if this works. Oh boy, it's still a mess. Maybe you need two vacuum cleaners, one at the front and one at the back. To be continued. I'll see you next.